If you're a mom, listen up. I have something very special just for you. I know as a mom, you often put everybody else's wants and needs above your own, and this can leave you depleted and exhausted. So you need a little bit of a getaway. I'm personally inviting you to my premier inaugural breakfast at Tiffany's, a brunch club like no other. It's a gathering of like-minded women who want more fun, more passion, and more pleasure every day of the year. A place to say things you've wanted to say, to talk about things that you normally don't, all those taboo subjects and things that we're shamed for as women. Have grown-up conversations about what is going on between the sheets and maybe what's not. What turns you on, what turns you off, and all the things that are so fun. DM me for all the details. Our inaugural event is June 10th here in the beautiful Long Beach. You can fly in, or if you live here, you can attend easily.